जेके गायन सर, नमस्कार। प्रणाम हमारे गुरु जी, आध्यात्मिक गुरु जी, साधुखान सर।
अरे मैं गुरुजी नहीं हूँ, अरे आई विल कनेक्ट यू टू गुरुजी, आई एम नॉट।
प्रणाम और साधुखान सर, नमस्ते।
Thank you. So everybody is telling, thanking me, but it is unjustified actually. I feel I am that not that qualified, but somehow I have been kept like when a magnet is there, na, if you keep a nail in contact with that, that nail also shows magnetic behavior. Even if some paper is there or something also there, na, like magnet, if you keep here, this side even nail is there, na, still when that nail comes in contact with other nails, it attracts the nails. So it appears that it is a magnet, but actually thing is that behind the scene, something is there behind the scene. Actually, that is my guru, my spiritual teacher. That magnet is that my guru, is my spiritual teacher, who has kept a useless person like me also engaged in this service. So he is Leela Purushottam Prabhu. Our official name is Dr. Lakshmidhar Behera. He is the director of IIT Mandi. So regularly I get connected through him through his online classes. So he has that online program also. Something is there. Like online regularly he will be conducting the programs. Even Long Gita, Leave Gita program is there. Some lot of videos will be there. Courses will be there. Videos will be there. Some very minimum charges he will be taking. And these courses, they will benefit is greatly. So at any point of time you can hear those things. And we can always communicate with him. And every day we can hear his voice through online. So online he will be conducting a chanting session from morning 5:30 to 7:30 like that. And then some Bhagavad Gita recitation will be there. And then Bhagavatam class will be there. So daily he will be there. And we have seen how busy his schedule is. You were seeing my position, and he is the director of IIT Mandi. And every week, at least 2 to 3 days, he will be outside. Sometimes he will be in BGS Gurukul. One Gurukul he has made in Vrindavan, where I have put my son. So every week at least one time he will be visiting that Gurukul. He is coming from Mandi. I visited that Mandi. It was a very hilly place. So it was very difficult to travel. So every time when we traveled, either my daughter vomited, my son vomited, I was almost about to vomit. The journey was such. And every week he, at least 3 times he will be traveling. From that place he will be coming to one time BGS, one time he will be coming to Kanpur. He was previously professor of IIT Kanpur. Now he became the director of IIT Mandi some 3 years before, but before that he was the professor of IIT Kanpur, and still he is holding that position also. And there he has made a lot of devotees. So making young people devotees is very difficult nowadays. Making children and old age people is very easy. Children are very innocent, and old age people have seen all the sufferings of life. So now they want to find something. So it is very easy to grab the young youngsters like this and old people. But grabbing the youngsters like you is very difficult because of so much of distractions nowadays, especially because of mobile and other gadgets. After coming, it has totally, society is getting totally spoiled towards anything. So, but he has attracted those people. So all his students are IITians. IIT come to thousands, hundreds of students are there. So those people are doing devotion. So it is so beautiful that such young people are doing devotion. Because at one point of time we used to think that this devotion is for old people. Even now people will tell that devotion is for either for ladies or for old people. They will tell, some people will tell like that. But seeing such youngsters doing devotion, it is really heart touching. And every year 2 times he will be keeping the retreat, and he will be calling all the people, so that all the people, not only this online association, all the people can get his offline association also. That's why 2 times in a year he will be keeping the retreats either in Vrindavan or Mayapur or Puri or even Mandi, etc. And it was very difficult. Initial task was very difficult. When he just came to IIT Mandi, immediately next year he started the program. So it was a very difficult task. For a lot of opposition was there. Lot of people were against it actually. But still he continued that, and now even Goshala has also come. So we are losing our spiritual values. Our spiritual values, India, when Prabhupada ji went to the West first time, then they were telling, why you have come here? Then you are telling the Britishers, you have taken everything from us, all the wealth from us, all the wealth, everything you have taken. But you forgot to take one thing, that is the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Then he showed the Bhagavad Gita. I told, I have come here to give you that which you forgot to take. So, so like that, their vision. And our Srila Prabhupada also, at the age of 70, by the instruction of his Guru only, at the age of 70, he has taken one cargo ship, and from 40 days of journey, and he had two heart attacks in between also, and in spite of that, he made this huge worldwide movement. So you can see the dedication of those people. They don't care about personal comforts and everything. So in front of them, I'm just a useless fellow only. I'm just told the example, just a magnet behind the curtain. The magnet is there, which is just keeping me attracted. One time he came here, our teacher, Adimandi director Purushottam Prabhuji, he was about to come, and everything, all the pamphlets, everything we have distributed. One program was in Bhavini Auditorium, open auditorium, and the next day Sunday program was supposed to be in my house. But suddenly, just previous day, he told all the invitations, everything was over, all booking, everything was over. And then suddenly, just previous day, he told me, Sadhukan, I am very sorry that I cannot come. My father is hospitalized. I have to go there. Some operation he has to go urgently, so I cannot come. Then I became totally panicked. So much invitation, such a big scale we have organized. So what will happen? So I requested him, sir, please do something, sir. Everything is organized now. I cannot cancel, sir. It is absolutely, it has. I cannot come back, sir. So either you empower me, or you please send somebody, some senior devotees. I told the name of one Radhakanta Prabhu is there, who is the presently CEO of this PG as Gurukul. One Gurukul is there, Undertaker campus he is organizing. In that he is the CEO, and Radhakanta Prabhu is there. He has come last time. You may be remembering in Bhavini Auditorium podium. So I request either you send him, or one MBA person, Madhusudan Mukund Prabhu, who is right now looking after ISKCON Ranchi. So either any of these senior persons, or one Abhay Chaitanya Prabhu is there, cat indoor. So some of these person you please send. And then immediately he arranged, he sent Radhakant Prabhu, he told everything. Then after that he also told, okay, you are also sufficiently empowered to do the program yourself. And then I realized that day itself, next day we had the program, that day itself, sorry, we had 3 programs. One is that day evening, one was in Bhavini Auditorium, and next day Sunday, another morning was there. So the first day evening I had in my house itself. So that day Radhakant Prabhu could not come, he could come next day only. So I realized how speech is coming from me. You may be knowing that I am an introvert, I cannot speak. Sir may be knowing that I cannot speak much. I will be always silent in meeting, etc. I will be always silent only. So I cannot speak much. But first time I realized everything is, I am just an instrument. Everything happening by His mercy. So that day, whatever speech came, I really don't know that I am speaking this. So I wanted to have that recording, but somehow I missed that recording. So first that speech, what different speech has come out through me. So these are all, we are all just instruments, and somebody is just using as an instrument. So then when this program happened, then Sunday the program was there, Radhakanta Prabhu did the program here. And then after the program he himself told, you continue this program, this every Sundays you continue the program. So from that time onwards, by great mercy of God, I am able to continue even if I have fever or 2-3 times I had fever. But I will share my experience. I had fever in the morning. Then my wife was telling, you cancel the program. No, I told no, I cannot cancel. So I have to do. So evening I took on paracetamol, set for the Sankirtan, and night everything is fever, everything has gone, and it has not come back. Fever has not come back. Normally after paracetamol, fever will come back after 12 hours. No? So it has not come back. So 2-3 times it happened to me that with fever, just one paracetamol I have taken and started Sankirtan, and everything has gone fully. So a lot of people sometimes give the excuses that sir I am not well. Please share this experience. If you come, you will become better. And we see the experience of these spiritual persons. At the age of 70, Prabhupada, he used to sleep only 2 hours. Only 2 hours, and he has made this such a big movement. Lakhs of devotees, thousands of books he has on his own, he has written, and so much of things he has done. So once you do the spirituality, you automatically get strength. Then one more time I asked sir, my teacher, that sir, people are not coming. So that time Rajesh has told me, so I was coming for prasadam. So initially I thought, so at least I am not period, but let me attract people with prasadam. So I used to cook for the other people. Sometimes, and 2-3 weeks people will not come. Again one day people will come, 2-3 weeks people will not come. They will have this marriage party, this, that. So one day I told sir, people are coming, what to do sir? People are coming one day, 2 days they will not come. Again a new person I will see, 2 days they will not come. Again after 3rd week or 4th week he will come. What to do sir? How to make it come so that they come consistently? Then sir told, you don't bother, it is only for your purification. So I really experienced that this program is more for my purification, more than anybody else's purification. Is for my purification. It is really that speech has come out through that real single person, and I realize it is only for my purification. And in the process, you are getting the benefit. Like I told, for example, now when the magnet is there and the even a paper is there, a nail is there in contact. That is a nail is myself, but I am executing that magnetic property which is there behind the curtain and able to attract the other people because of that power. So you was told it is for your purification, and really I experienced that without this program it is very dull. Life is very dull. I used to do bhakti for so many years, but it was getting degraded over the periods. But now I only realize it is getting rejuvenated every day, getting more of your association. And I thank you people also. So by simply sending so much of your busy time, and you are regularly nowadays you are people are regularly coming. So I thank you all for giving me the association and giving me the opportunity to purify myself, and at the same time help you also parallelly. By the ব্রজে প্রসিদ্ধ চৌরম ভূপাঙ্গনাম সাধুকুল চৌরম ব্রজে প্রসিদ্ধ অনেক জন্মার জিত পাপ চৌরম চৌরাগ্রগন্না পুষাম অনেক জন্মার জিত পাপ চৌরম চৌরাগ্রগন্না পুষাম নমামি ধীরাধিকায়া চৌরম শ্যামলকান্তি চৌরম সদাশ্রিতানাম চ সমস্ত চৌরম চৌরাগ্রগন্নাম পুষাম নমামি অকিঞ্চনে কৃত্বা পদাশ্রিতাম্যা করোতি ভিক্ষুম পতিয়ে হরিণ অকিঞ্চনে কৃত্বা এনা প্রিয়া ভীষণ করোই দৃষ্ট সুখ মানা জগৎ সেনা প্রিয় ভীষণ চোরই নিজ সুখ মানা জগৎরয়ী ব্রজে প্রসিদ্ধ নবনীত চৌরম ভূপাঙ্গনাম সাধুকুল চৌরম অনেক জন্মার জিত পাপ চৌরম চৌরাগ্রগন্নাম পুষাম নমামি यदियो नमापि अर्पिय शेषान् गिरिप्रसारणपि अर्पिय शेषान् आचर्य रूप ननु चोरहि दृष्ट सुख मना मया कदापि आचर्य रूप ननु चोरहि दृष्ट सुख मना मया कदापि धनं च मानं च तदिन्द्रियाणि धनं च जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानन्दन जनरञ्जन यमुनातीर वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यमुनातीर वनचारी यशोदानन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यमुनातीर वनचारी
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare